Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Well, good morning, everybody. We've got an interesting week ahead. I've spoke about short and long waves before, and this week is a very good example of short waves. So I'm actually going to start you off here with a look at our upper level pattern right now. And we had a system that came through last night. That's what you're seeing right here, this big blue zone. And the front in front of that was what brought us all the rainfall this morning. Now that's going to cross over and move towards the east through today. And the next wave of rain we see is because of the back half of this system exiting. But I want to go forward from today because, well, like I said, there's a series of a ton of short waves, one after the other in a row. So moving into Tuesday, there's this slight bit of drying we see in the morning, and then another short wave right there drops on through, bringing us another rain chance. Then yet another short wave right behind that again. It looks like we do start to see the edge of a long wave develop as we get into Friday, but look at that. It drops all the way down and brings us even more rainfall chances. So when we get to the 7-day forecast, this is why there's so many chances for rain moving forward. It's just a bunch of waves of energy slamming into the area one after the other. So for today, we're looking at more rain energy that comes in later into the afternoon. So there's this little bit of a break we've got here through about 11 o'clock, and then we get that next wave from the back half of the little system. You can see that starting to move in towards 11 out over the ocean, but it makes actual contact as we get into about 1 o'clock, and then it continues to rain, getting a little bit heavy for many areas, especially Roseburg, through 2:30. Another little bit of a break as we move into 4 o'clock, and then yet another wave comes through starting around 6 p.m., and that lasts all the way into the evening. So the rainfall totals for today are going to be pretty impressive since it's consistent. In fact, it's consistent over the entire week. But in addition to those impressive rainfall totals, this is the accumulation for snowfall over the passes today, 12 inches in Santiam Pass. Some of the even snowier areas could see up to 17 inches. This is exactly why you don't want to go through the passes for today, all the way through likely into Tuesday evening. Stormcast is going to show us the total rainfall values for today as well, and we're looking at about 1/2 of an inch everywhere, close to 3/4 for Roseburg. 7-day forecast shows you Thursday and Friday as the most likely days to stay dry this week. Looking rainy every other day in those upper 50s on the coast. Umpqua Basin is in the upper 50s for most days as well. 50 today, but jumping up 8 degrees tomorrow. The Cascade Passes are snowy for today and tomorrow. Then we see rainfall take over again. Thursday, Friday, likely going to be the driest days, but still chances there. Willamette Valley looking at 50 degrees for today, 55 tomorrow. Rainfall all the way through. Thursday, Friday, just chances. Saturday, Sunday, definitely wet again. We'll be back after the break.